Blue and I are walking on the Hall Lake Trail, and we are taking it to Graves Hill and then on to the Devil's Soup Bowl. So never done this hike before, looking forward to it. Heard a lot about it over the years from a lot of people, so been recommended to me several times. So this will be first time I've done it, so hopefully we'll have some fun adventure today and see some really cool stuff. So come along and join me. So I should probably tell you it's April when I'm filming this. It's a very cool morning. We had a lot of rain last night, so I was a little worried that it was going to be really rainy today, but I got up this morning and apparently we got all the rain we were going to get yesterday. Maybe there'll be some later on today, but this morning it is blue skies and it is beautiful, and this trail is just absolutely stunning. So I'm really enjoying this. Well, we go that way at the Devil's Soup Bowl, and there's a short hike up here to Graves Hill. Well, so this is Graves Hill. I guess apparently in the winter time you can see a lot farther from this direction. in this location. Devil soup bowl, boo-boo. Here it is. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. That is amazing. And there is a trail that goes downhill into the soup bowl. Whew, are you up for that, Blue? I don't know. I certainly wouldn't want to do this trail in the wintertime. Go on, keep going. Yes, we are doing. Well, so much for that, Bruce. Nice hill. Holy cow. Alright, well, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna hate ourselves tomorrow. Well, we have made it to the bottom of what is known as the Devil Soup Bowl. Very look how steep the hills are. And that's where we came from. In this trail. Epic. Okay, so I am standing at the bottom of the Devil Soup Bowl. And when I read stuff online about this, they said that when you get down here, you'll be amazed at how quiet it is. And I've been walking in the woods all morning and hearing birds and everything. And you get down here and it is deadly silent. I mean, it is. Can you hear that? There's no background noise behind me. There's no birds. There's no voices. There's not even a rustle of the wind. It's really weird. Something very amazing about this particular location. I can see why they gave it kind of a creepy name, but it's interesting that it's like you could hear a pin drop. The silence is what they say, a deafening silence. It's kind of what it sounds like right here. It's quite fascinating. And you can really sit here and listen and you hear nothing. It's kind of peaceful, actually. So, wow, amazing hike. It's going to be quite a hill to get back up, but, and yes, no, I did not hurt myself coming down. I did fall, and I'll show that in the video, but just a little mud, a little slip and slide. Blue is okay. Wow, isn't that amazing? It's just not even a bird. It's beautiful. Devil Soup Bowl, folks. Well, we're about ready to head back, and I got to go up this big hill up here. So I'm probably going to have the camera off when I do it, because I need to focus on climbing. But wow, this is quite amazing. You guys definitely need to come check this trail out, do the hike down on the hill. Careful coming down. Make sure you probably pick a more dry day than I did. But amazing. The only thing I hear now is like a vehicle from one of the roads way far away, and it's kind of an echo. So pretty neat. Very neat. Partly geography, partly the nature itself, creating a buffer of sound or something like that. But whatever it is, it's this is very, very cool. I want you guys to pay attention to something. I'm completely out of breath, and he's not. That was a hell of a hill. Holy cow. We came from all the way down there. Not up that gravel. There's a route over here. And we went down, but it's just a steep. That would probably have been easier right there, actually. Crazy. So I'm gonna catch my breath here for a few minutes. And then we're gonna take the Deep Lake Trail back and see a little more scenery. Take it easy. Coming out of the soup bowl that I could have taken back up. Yeah, that looks fun. Holy cow, look at this, folks. Yay, I think I'm done with the soup bowl for today. You guys can try that. I'm gonna stick with this other trail. Okay, so I just consulted my map that I brought with me, and apparently there's another trail that goes all the way around the loop and then comes back to this. Following the Deep Lake Trail, I can get back to the car. But the depressions are called kettles. So the Devil Soup Bowl depression is called a kettle, and it's a natural formation, so quite fascinating. But I'm headed back down the Deep Lake Trail. So people use this trail system for hiking and mountain biking, and they use it for cross-country skiing and snowshoeing in the wintertime. I'm going to recap my hike today. The trail up was along Hall's Lake Trail, and that was going by Hall Lake, and then it goes up to Graves Hill, and then we went to the Devil's Soup Bowl, into the Soup Bowl, came out. I didn't walk the rim of the Soup Bowl this time. I'll have to do that the next time I come. And then we kicked the Deep Lake Trail back. I think total it's about 3 miles, this whole walking. Definitely very difficult coming out of the Devil's Soup Bowl, but I think if I had to do it again, I probably wouldn't take the Deep Lake Trail back. It's more of a mountain bike trail, and it's not as picturesque as the other one, as the Hall. So that's probably what I'll do next time. Okay, so that's going to do it for today's adventure to Graves Hill and to the Devil's Soup Bowl and into the Soup Bowl. So if you like today's little adventure, please remember to give us a like, leave us a comment, tell us what you thought, and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time on our next great adventure. Thanks for watching.